I'm Elizabeth Angira, a journalist working for the local online publication, The Sun Weekly in Kenya. It's a big honor to be taking part in the competition for the global #Media1325 awards, given that there were so many other serving women who were so unlucky to be selected. Here I am. I'm so humbled to be taking part in the competition. It's critical for the media to highlight women, peace, and security issues, given that the position women hold in the family and in the society in general, and in most cases, acts that threaten peace and cause insecurity of women. It affects mostly children and women. It's the role of the media to highlight, educate, and inform the public on the importance of having peace. I welcome you all on 17th March 2022 to witness for my award. Welcome.